They're just setting up right now. Hopefully everything goes good.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh, this is comfortable. That's comfortable, that's right. Thank you. I thought I'd be too nervous to use my damn camera. Well, there's the end of the train. No more train. Plus we... It is nice and stable. I was thinking it'd be all over the place. I was going nuts. Oh, dropped my camera. No, I'm just kidding. No, it'd be funny.
What?
We go there'd go $500. Hopefully not on someone's head.
Right over
We're over the washing machine area, Letchworth. Land we're gonna. Make sure this camera's tight on my hands. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna get it right now. Thank you. That heat it's nice and toasty.
I love the way you load stuff into the board.
Yeah, it is nice. I thought, you know, I was thinking totally different things, like going nuts, and this is perfect. Somebody left a tire right there.
We did whitewater rafting here today.
Oh yeah?
5 hours.
How was that?
Great.
Safe?
We picked it up at Lower Falls. Right after Lower Falls, we pick it up. Then you go 6 minutes down the river, and it's nice.
That's getting blurry. We better get rid of that blurry image. The tire. Gotta try to clear these treetops here. We're doing a good job though. And there it goes.
See him?
Yeah. There's their shadow right there. Thank you for getting the, I didn't know it would be nice, this nice. I'm like, oh my God, we're getting next to the treetops. I'm gonna die. This is perfect. Can I get a picture of you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you to the pilot. We got a unique ride here.
We got a beautiful ride.
The winds were perfect. They waited till, the perfect ride, too.
Yeah, we want to wait. We don't want to just go hurtling out of there. We'll be able to enjoy it.
Watch when we run into them.
So what's that, the lower falls right there?
Yeah, so we're coming up in the Lower Falls, just starting to see the drop off there. So we're looking from behind it, and there's kind of the cliff and the platform sort of out there, sort of the natural formation, but they built a walkway out there to be able to view falls. The lunar eclipse.
What's that called? Lunar eclipse?
Lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse.
Awesome, right, Dad? Yeah. Don't you like it?
Oh, that's beautiful. I knew I'd like it when I got here, that's for sure. I knew that's why I spent $300.
You're waiting.
Drink a lot of beer.
He's got the tears on. He bought that one.
Just a radio check, and we are headed to the silos. Maybe north of that right now, but you'll see us in the silos. Really?
I want to touch the treetops. Whoa, that's awesome.
You got one?
I got one. I'm gonna eat it. Thank you.
If we stay low like that, then we stay left and get that view down.
Oh, it drags us over. Oh, sorry, I was watching the hot air balloon the whole time.
That's the Lower Falls.
But I did get a piece of the treetop.
That's awesome.
That was some fresh pine, especially if you eat it. That's awesome. I GoPro'd it. Eating a pine cone. That's awesome.
Yep.
What?
Bliss.
Well, there's the sun setting right there.
Yep. This here is Big Bend. I don't know if you recognize it.
Oh yeah,
it's
right here.
It's the 800 foot.
Where it makes an S.
Yep. It's amazing how much the river winds around.
They still are going up. They put their planes up there. They don't have them on now, but they do.
These buildings down here is the Lower Falls Pool area. Those buildings were established around World War II, right after, yeah, it had to be during World War II because they're actually German prisoners of war detained there, a couple hundred of them.
Oh, wow.
That was operated by the military, I think, at the time. Did so much conservation work.
Yes.
And building work.
Oh,
the buildings and everything.
Sun.
Well, and the roads and then the brickwork and
Yes.
stone.
Yeah, they did so much. Speaking of structure,
We still have like
right there, you see the bridge across the valley? That's outside the park. It's in Portageville. There's a bridge. Just beyond that, there are a couple pillars, old pillars. There's nothing else there. I thought it was an old bridge. It's actually an aqueduct.
What time did we look
Yeah,
off, Dad?
there's a canal that ran across the river, and it operated only for like 19 years before the railroads took it over. But
That looks like a landing.
yeah, it went up right next to the upper and middle falls, right down that whole stretch. It's kind of amazing.
Are they landing?
Now they're descending. He's making an approach sort of toward, good spots. But no, he's not landing yet. It's optical illusion.
It's like you probably wish you could stay up here sometimes for a long time, huh?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I mean, it's perfect. Like you can hear the dogs. Cow field down. Farmer for cows over there. Area for cows, anyways. Oh, there's our ride. There. 100 feet above the treetops. We're looking for a nice landing. Sunny side up.
Richard, did you copy? I actually frequently compare it to golf. You don't try to make it in the hole on your first drive. You just try to keep it in the fairway. So you got lots of good spots out here. That's all we're.
Some other things in life too.
Golf course, you gotta get you straightened out.
We haven't made that, Dakota.
Landed in the Alfalfa. Trying not to tip, but if we do, it ain't a big deal.
I'll do it.
All right, we're landing.
Not sure.
It's opening up.
Oh, I thought that was no.
She's cracking open.
So you should hang on there for a second. If I get
That's awesome.
back to the left.
What?
We'll have it.
Right for the
Gonna knock us over.
We gotta tell the farmer thank you.
First flight.
Hey, thank you. Great
Thank
job.
you to the good
Yeah.
pilot here.
Very welcome.
Great job.
We get a great landing, so
beautiful
that's
run.
the end of that. There, he's pulling down the balloon. That was completes everything. Now we landed in this guy's field. They get a surprise every once in a while from this balloon company.